Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ayana Chan, a 12-year-old child who
Depende.
believes that there is no violence on television. There is no violence on television to children because most kids plug into the world of television even long before they enter school. Why do children love television? Why do children love to watch the television? So there are many different reasons why children and even adults love to watch the television, and those reasons vary for each individual. Some people are against television. They say that television could make people or children become passive, it could make children become violent. All babies are born with violent tendencies, which they learn to control as they grow older. As a 12-year-old child, I watch the TV regularly, and I don't think that there is violence on TV. I watch the television for me to gain information, and undeniably, I watch the TV for entertainment and relaxation. We all do that. We watch the TV for entertainment, and I believe that it did not cause me harm. And as well, I'm very pretty sure that it did not cause you harm either, because if it did, then you'd be sick right now. Or if you are exclaiming that TV brings violence to the children or to the people, then shall I say you'd be dead right now? That's my plan. So thank you, little girl. So now let us hear the voice of another child, which came from
Oh.